Mae fi wedi dod i'r sioe heddi, oedd Esbyrrec wedi trefnu Q&A gyda Rheolwr Cymru, Rob Page, felly fi wedi bod yn sgwrsio gyda Rob yn yr hael, so yeah, mae wedi bod yn brynhawn bod nice.
We've had a look around, gone to the football pitch and met some of the players there, which has been nice. So yeah, it's great to be back here. I have some memory of my time here, maybe about 40 years ago now, I'm showing my age now. So yeah, I think I was about 8 the last time I came. So it's just nice to be back and a fantastic show, isn't it? It'd be crazy to miss it.
Hwn yw'r tro cynta erioed I fi ddod i'r sioe ben hyddo. So bach o gwylydd dy fi yn gweud hwnna, ond ie, mae fe'n greu. Mae fe'n masif, o'n i ddim yn sylwi bod e'n mor fawr. Ond na, mae fe'n greu. Lot o bobl me, a ie, yr tywydd yn fawr.
Joe Allen from a farming background, I think. That's the only one I can think of. There's not many others, I don't think. Having been over there now and sort of had a taste of what it's going to be like, and Doha in particular, and seeing the stadium, and everything's fantastic. It's going to be a good event. It's exciting times ahead, and I can't wait. Obviously, so proud to be there and part of it for our nation. A small nation is what we are, and to qualify for the World Cup like that is unbelievable.
Bested show Rheolwr Cymru. Mae rai fi wei, fi credu mae Ben Davies i Tottenham jyst i bod yn anhygoel. Tymor diwetha, fi'n credu ers i Conte ddod mewn, mae Ben Davies jyst i cael rhyw fath o newidiad fel chwaraewr, so na i fynd am Ben Davies. Ti'n meddwl o'r Euro 2016, pan ti'n mynd tournament, mae unrhyw beth yn gallu digwydd. So, pam lai, os ti yn unrhyw tournament, os mae bach o momentum dy ti, rhaid i weld unrhyw beth yn bosib.